Today we're going to be looking at a bunch of different EDC sling bags and waist bags, or fanny packs as you might know them, from some of the most popular brands to help give those of you that are currently looking for a new bag a good idea of some of the best bags currently available. And we'll be looking at a bunch of different options and sizes, and we'll start with some more tactical style bags and work our way to more generic everyday carry style bags. And there will be timestamps down below in case you want to jump right to a particular section of the video. I did a ton of research on the best bags in the market to put this video together and reached out to those companies, and many of them were kind enough to send these bags out for everybody here to check out. So a big shout out and a thank you to all the brands that participated. These are the bags we're going to be looking at today, and before we dive in, leave a comment down below and let us know which one of these bags is your favorite, and that will enter you into a giveaway, and I'll be selecting one lucky winner and shipping them out the bag of their choice from this lineup. We're going to start off with the Nomadic Research EDC pack, but before we dive in, I also want to thank them for sending out this awesome jacket, which is the Alpine hoodie in olive brown, and I've been wearing this jacket every day for the last few weeks and I really love it. Nomadic Research is a veteran owned company and they make some really great gear. In addition to being able to use this as a sling bag or a fanny pack, it can also be worn on the chest with the included quick attach harness, so you do get a lot of versatility here, which is really nice. This bag is made from 500D Cordura with a PU waterproof coating, and there's a large loop field on the front with some PALS webbing on the bottom, and there's 3 compartments including a small one on the front with 2 pockets, a larger compartment with some more pockets with the loop field, and another main compartment with a loop field panel and a flexible back panel. The different compartments also open up nice and wide, which does make it really easy for you to access the contents. I really like all the different levels of organization here, and this would make an excellent choice for those of you with more robust organizational needs who still want something that's relatively compact and would also make a great CCW bag. Next up, we've got a collaboration piece between Rhino, which is a company that specializes in tritium EDC accessories, and Paladin 33, who makes a bunch of different tactical soft goods, and this bag was designed, cut, and stitched in Bend, Oregon, USA, and another good option if you want to buy USA made stuff. And this pack can be worn both as a sling bag and as a fanny pack, and this one is very similar in size and features to the Nomadic Research EDC pack, but this one doesn't give off the same tactical vibes, which might be nice if you're going for more gray man approach. And it is made from DWR treated 500D Cordura. Inside we've got this super vibrant green eco pack interior, which gives you a really nice contrast between the items in your kit, and we've got a nice little front compartment, a middle compartment with a sleeve and a zippered pouch, and also a rear compartment with a Velcro hook and loop field backing. Overall, you do get a bit more width in these compartments, which is nice, and you do get compression straps on the side to secure the load a little bit better, and this would make another great option for everyday carry or concealed carry. This is the Eberlestock Bando Bag, and this is another company that specializes in tactical bags and soft goods, and this one is made from multicam, but you can get it in 6 different colors. This one is designed as a fanny pack, but it is large enough to be worn as a sling bag as well. The Bando bag is slightly smaller than the ones that we looked at earlier and does have 3 different compartments, but they are set up a little bit differently, and there's a tiny pocket in the front, a medium pocket in the middle with some elastic sleeves, and a zippered mesh compartment and a larger back compartment with a Velcro panel, and this one opens up nice and wide. The other thing that's really nice is that the zipper pulls are quite wide and easy to get your fingers into, which does make it quite easy to open up your bag. This bag is good for those of you who are looking for smaller options either for hiking or concealed carry, and this one also is the most affordable bag in the lineup at right around $50. This is the VERTX SOCP Tactical Fanny Pack, and I've been seeing this bag pop up all over the internet a lot, and people really seem to like it because it's very robust and it gives the users a ton of different options. And this is actually my first VERTX product, so I'm eager to see whether or not they live up to all the hype. This is the canopy green version, but they can also be picked up in black or blue reef color, and this bag is designed to be worn as a sling, a fanny pack, or it can even be clipped to a backpack, and this one is also innocent enough looking to be considered gray man in my opinion, in this color at least, and it does look more like a hiking accessory. On the front we've got something very unique, and this actually folds down and is designed to hold your phone, which gives you the ability to use it for hands-free navigation, which is nice because you can keep your hands free while you're doing other things. The front compartment offers a decent amount of size, a nice wide opening, and lots of different organizational options, including a mesh zippered compartment and 2 different elastic Velcro compartments. The main compartment is lined with a very soft Velcro compatible liner, and on this side you get this removable zippered compartment, and on the other side there's an insert for a concealed carry. There's a laser cut MOLLE panel on the back, and this is going to give you the ability to connect it to other items. And there's also a small elastic pocket on either side here for quick access to your smaller gear. Great choice if you've got a CCW and you're really active and you want to organize a decent amount of small items in a compact bag. This is the Metrorunner from Greenroom136, and Greenroom is one of my favorite bag makers on the market, and they offer a ton of different options when it comes to customization and the material of all their bags. And this one is more tactical aesthetically speaking, but less so in functionality. And this is more designed to be a sling bag, but it can also be worn as a fanny pack. This is one of the largest bags here, and it has a 6-liter capacity, and it's made from 1000D Cordura nylon, and the inner pockets come lined with this bright yellow ripstop interior. There's a hook and loop field on the front for patches and some molly webbing where you can attach some different gear. The front compartment gives you a decent amount of room, and there's some pockets for organization and a key loop as well. The main compartment is massive, and there's a nice large deep space in the middle with pockets on each side, so this is really great if you need a significant amount of capacity. There's fitlock compression straps around the bag which will help you secure the load, and they are easy to open and close and help you gain access to your gear. There's D-rings strategically placed which provide more access points for your stuff, and there's also a very robust 2-inch industrial grade safety belt harness that's foam padded with a removable shoulder pad and durable 2-inch YKK side release buckle that holds the bag very securely to your chest, making it ideal for people who are on the go and plan to do a lot of moving with the bag and want something that's going to stay snug against their body. This would definitely satisfy the needs of those of you with more robust EDCs who appreciate the tactical aesthetic, or those of you looking for a bigger bag with lots of different customization options. This is the Axis from Mission Workshop, and this is my first piece of gear from Mission Workshop, and they specialize in high-end waterproof bags made in the USA and technical apparel, and their focus is fusing modern design with cutting-edge materials. The Axis is a lightweight and rugged waist bag for those of you with very active lifestyles that need something that's comfortable but also very durable, and the bag offers excellent water resistance, so it really checks a lot of boxes for those of you looking for something to accompany you for more intense activities, which make it particularly resilient to weather and abrasion. And on the outside, we've got a Tropic Camo pattern made from Multicam Cordura, but you can also pick it up in a bunch of different colors and a few different fabrics as well. And the inside has a very thick Kotex grid nylon liner, which does a great job of protecting the gear inside from water. This is a 2.5 liter bag, and it has a really simple design with premium materials, and we've got a waterproof YKK zipper with paracord pulls, and there's just a single main zipper compartment with an elastic mesh zipper compartment. I'm really impressed with this bag, and it looks great and it feels great too, and this is a stellar choice for those of you who want something simple and rugged. This is the CodeOfBell Xpod II, and they make a range of highly functional and efficient bags and accessories to blur the line of technical gear and street fashion, and this bag is designed to carry your essential items on the go. The Xpod II can be worn as a sling bag or a waist bag, and it offers an incredible amount of pockets and storage options, and I never would have expected so many different storage options and unique design elements built into a small bag like this one. The Xpod II is made from EcoPack, and the one we've got here is black, but it's also available in a few different colors. There are removable compression straps on the front of the pack, and they give you the ability to cinch down and compress the contents of the front compartment, which is surprisingly spacious and expandable, and it can be accessed from 2 different ways. And inside we've got a nice orange ripstop high-vis interior and a lot of room in here, and there's also a magnetic keyring attachment, which makes it really easy for you to keep track of your keys. These zipper pulls are really nice, and they're made from a very durable material, and they're also long, which makes them easier to grab. The secondary zipper compartment offers a lot more in terms of a large elastic mesh pocket on one side and 2 smaller zippered mesh compartments on the other side. There's a nylon grab handle on top, and behind that a small zipper compartment for your flat objects, and the back is made from a very soft patterned material, and there's also a rear pass-through sleeve to store the shoulder strap. There's also a quick access zippered pocket on each side of the bag, and these are going to be great for storing your tiny items that you might need to access quickly without taking the bag off. There's a large auto-locking magnetic buckle on the front, which is very simple to use, and there's also a detachable chest stabilizer strap, and together these combine to give you a very snug form-fitting experience that's ideal for a lot of action and movement. Pick this one if you love pockets and you've got a lot of different small important stuff that you want to protect and organize. This is the TKS from Black Ember, and they specialize in urban technical packs, and they're designed in California, and the TKS is meant to satisfy those of you with more of a tech emphasis in your EDC. This is designed to be worn primarily as a sling bag, but it can also be worn as a waist bag, and it's made from Cordura 500D Recore RN66, and it also has a YKK AquaGuard zippers with proprietary bond stitch construction, which will help to keep your gear dry, and really nice pulls which make it easier for you to open up these compartments. The first outer compartment has a maglock keychain for storing your keys, and an elastic mesh phone compartment with laser cut pass-through for a charging cable, and the idea here is that while you're on the go you can charge your phone with a power bank that you keep in the main compartment. The main compartment actually opens up full clamshell, and there's some accordion style pockets with a hard center divider with a magnetic lock, and that's designed to protect the contents of the bag from each other. The side is going to be good for your flat items like your notebooks, your power banks, and your chargers, and the other side has a mesh zipper compartment which will be good for different cables and other small items. The strap also tucks away neatly behind the back of the sling, which is nice if you want to store it inside of another bag. If you find yourself carrying around a lot of tech, this is a great option. Next up, we've got the Transit Line Sling Pocket XL from Heimplanet, and this is a 3-liter day pack style sling with a very simple and minimal design. Heimplanet specializes in outdoor bags and camping gear, and all of their products are backed with a generous lifetime warranty. The bag is made from Shell, which is an eco-friendly dope-dyed nylon yarn material, which offers excellent abrasion resistance and color fastness, and inside has a nylon PU interior, and together they combine for excellent water resistance. And this one is a gray castle rock color, but it can also be picked up in black. The pulls are decent, and you get a small compartment on the front of the pocket, a scratch-proof compartment underneath, that's for your glasses, and the main compartment is more spacious with a large pocket, some elastic pockets from organization, and a flat zippered pocket on the back. The buckle is made from aluminum, so it's very durable, and you can also remove the whole strap if you want because it is attached with Velcro. This is a great affordable option with decent capacity, and it won't stand out in a crowd either. The last bag that we're going to be taking a look at today is the Errant Sling from Boundary Supply. And Boundary Supply specializes in quality technical gear for everyday use, both on and off the trail. This is the largest bag here with a 15-liter capacity, and it is meant to be worn over the left or the right shoulder, and this is going to be the best option for those of you who are very active and need to incorporate a laptop into your EDC, and you need to be able to carry it comfortably and securely. There's a nice carrying handle on top of the bag which gives you an additional way to carry, and the zippers have nice thick pulls on them which are nice and easy to grab. This front pocket can be accessed from 2 different sides, and it is designed for organizing your smaller everyday carry items, and there's some webbing and a handful of stash pockets in here. The main compartment is secured with a fidlock, and there's a ton of room for your bulkier items, and you can also fit a laptop in here too. Up here there's a dedicated sunglasses pocket, and it's got a nylon lining which is nice and soft and good for preventing the lenses from scratching, and behind that there's also a padded sleeve for a laptop or a tablet. The main strap has some good structure to it, and it's still got decent padding, and it is quite comfortable, and the back panel is LFT molded and is going to breathe well, so it'll stay cool while also being quite comfortable. There's also a commuter stability strap, which is going to help active people secure the load to their body when they're moving quickly. Let me know which one of these bags you like the most down in the comments below, and if your preference is waist wearing or sling wearing. Let us know what you like the most, and if you want to pick up any of these bags and support the channel, you can check out the links down in the description below.